Pronunciation of syllables. When you start learning French, the pronunciation can seem really tricky. This is particularly the case because it has a lot of sounds that are not found in English. French is different from English, but it is certainly not more difficult. As in any language, mastering French pronunciation requires a little practice. Before entering this unit, I must say that the best way to improve your French pronunciation is practice. Repeat, stop, and practice as much as needed until you get familiar with each and every pronunciation. So let's get started. In French, N becomes M in front of the letters B and P, hence pronounced AN and AM the same way. Listen and repeat. Un, un, E, O. In French, N becomes M in front of the letters B and P, hence pronounce EN and EM the same way. Listen and repeat. Un, un, E, E. In French, N becomes M in front of the letters B and P, hence pronounce ON and OM the same way. Listen and repeat. Un, un, Oua, ou. In French, N becomes M in front of the letters B and P, hence pronounce IN and IM the same way. Listen and repeat. Un, un. Pronunciation of the letter G. The letter G has three pronunciations. 1. Soft G. In front of E, I, or Y, it is pronounced like the G in pledge. When G precedes E, I, or Y but needs a hard pronunciation, U is added before the vowel to make it hard G. 2. Hard G. In front of A, O, and U, it is pronounced like G in go. When G precedes A, O, or U but needs a soft pronunciation, E is added before the vowel to make it a soft G. 3. The letter combination GN, nya, is usually pronounced like the ni in onion. 1. Soft G. Let's practice. Listen and repeat. Je, J, J, G, J'ai, Jean, Jean, Jean. Note, in the alphabet pronunciation we learn that I should be pronounced E and Y should be pronounced Y. But while reading word I and Y should both be pronounced E. 2. Hard G. Let's practice. Listen and repeat. Ga, go, gu, ge, gi, gain, gan, gon. Note, in the alphabet pronunciation we learned that I should be pronounced E and Y should be pronounced Y. But while reading words, I and Y should both be pronounced E. 3. Letter combination GN. Let's practice. Listen and repeat. Nya, nyo, nye, nye, nyi, nya, nyo, ny. Note, in the alphabet pronunciation we learned that I should be pronounced E and Y should be pronounced Y. But while reading words, I and Y should both be pronounced E. Pronunciation of the letters CH. In French, the letter CH have two pronunciations. The most common pronunciation is SH, as in the English words shake. In the few words, the CH sounds like K. In this unit, we'll practice the most common pronunciation where CH is SH. Let's practice. Listen and repeat. Sha, she, show, chu, chien, chi, champ, che. Pronunciation of the letter H. The letter H is 90% silent in French. However, there are two different types of H. H muet, H should be silent. H aspiré, H should be pronounced. In this unit, we will practice the H muet. The letter H will be explained in more detail as soon as we can read a word correctly. In other words, after the syllabication is mastered. Let's practice. Listen and repeat. A, I, O, U, un, I, en, et. Other important pronunciation. Listen and repeat. Un, il, elle, oui, re, oin, un, sien. This unit is very important in helping you improve your reading and pronunciation skills. So take your time and make sure you can tell the difference between an, en, on, in, un, and all other pronunciations. If you need more help, please register to my website for more practice and exercise. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video.